by the goldfish fold glow. A little wild tornado putting on a puppet show. Big brother sighing like a busted radiator fan, trying to keep the universe together best he can. Mama's in the kitchen with the meatloaf prophecy. Daddy reads the paper like it holds the mystery. Meanwhile, little sticky hands are racing through the hole. Every single peaceful thing is headed for a fall. Oh, tales of a fourth grade nothing, sweating to the schoolyard blues. One kid dreaming of some order, one kid running without shoes, laughing through the madness loaded. What's a weary soul to do when your baby brother's crazier than a raccoon at the zoo? There's a turtle moving slowly like a sage out in the rain, trying to dodge the chaos and the Jellybean hurricane. Everybody's yelling, hear the neighbors bang the wall, but the little dude just giggles like he never cared at all. Fourth grade mathematics and a science project curse. Every day's a comic book that somehow gets much worse. You can hide your candy bars up on the highest shelf. That little barefoot bandit's gonna find him by himself. Oh, tales of a fourth grade nothing, buzzing like a neon sign. One boy wants a little silence, but the cosmos says not mine. Pots and pans and peanut butter flying through the county line. Little brother's got a talent for destroying space and time. At the dinner table, thunder starts to rumble low. Somebody launched spaghetti where it wasn't meant to go. Daddy says be patient, Mama counts herself to 10. Big brother stares to heaven saying here we go again. School bus full of daydreams, sneakers squeaking on the floor, trying to act all cool while disaster hits the door. Every grown-up thinks it's cute, every friend just laughs. Meanwhile he's surviving on emotional scraps. But somewhere in the midnight, past the clutter and the cries, there's a strange and goofy magic in those wide and messy eyes. Like the whole world's just a carnival, spinning every yellow light, and every family's barely holding on, but somehow doing alright. Now the years roll on like a river through the trees, still hear echoes of the tantrums floating on the breeze. Wishful memories shimmer in the smoky autumn air of a tiny human cyclone with applesauce in his hair. Oh, tales of a fourth grade nothing, singing down the avenue. Every house has got a rascal doing what rascals do, laughing till his sides start aching, till the whole wild night shines through. Cause love survives the chaos and the goldfish strike us too. So raise a grilled cheese sandwich to the kids who test your soul, to the brothers and the sisters who make broken people whole. And if the turtle's still wandering beneath that old cartoon moon, may he dodge the flying breakfast and the toddler with the spoon.